will collaborate with the Konza Technopolis to attract investors to Kenya. Rendezvous's Executive Vice President Preston Menhal and Kenya, the Konza Technology Development Director General John Tanui will have jointly announced. This comes at a time when the country is seeking to bounce back from the impact of the pandemic that has increased uncertainty around investment opportunities. The collaboration will focus on building both mega projects, investment policies, and positioning the two cities at vantage points for both local and international investors.
We are very pleased to have agreed with the management and executives of Konza City to cooperate. We were to some extent, but we agreed today to deepen our cooperation. We've identified a number of issues of common interest, which are both in attracting investment to Kenya and also in our interaction with various authorities to make sure that building a new city in Kenya and creating thousands and thousands of homes and jobs and economic opportunities, that we can do this in tandem because we're both doing it with the same goal.
We have several mutual areas of collaboration. We are building new urban development, new cities, smart cities, and also we are special economic zones. We are also projects of national strategic importance. So this brings us together because we can address mutual issues. We are very keen to attract investment to Kenya, and Tatu City leadership and ourselves are very ready to collaborate with the other government agencies and even other private sector agencies to see how we can attract more investments in our country.
Some good news there for the two cities. Well, let's talk banking now. The Cooperative Bank of Kenya has secured a long-term loan with a tenure of